welcome to our journey as we discover the world of beautiful paintings. I'm Kshitija and today I'm going to take you into something calm, soft and dreamy. A painting that captures the magical moment of a sunset or maybe a sunrise. I'll let you decide that for me. As we dive in, a friendly reminder to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our future content. I had been craving to work with pastel colors for a while and ended up pouring that feeling into this piece. Hope you all liked it and thank you so much for watching, guys.